What is going on, guys? What is going on? What is going on? That's my channel. All right. It looks like we are live. We're going live just for a little bit. I just wanted to stop by and let all of you guys know what is going on with this channel and where I have been. So, I want to say to all of my subscribers, what's going on? And thank you so much for all the support that you guys have given me over the last 4 weeks. It's been about almost 4 weeks since I have been on the channel producing content, showing my face. This darn near turned into a faceless channel, and that's not what I set out to create when I started Father's Win. It was to be a consortium of information for fathers to go to a one-stop shop to get information on how to best navigate family court. And we were well on our way to doing that. And then I vanished. Where is Kevin? Where is Vinark MP? He's just out of here. What's going on? And the truth is, the reason I've been gone is because I have been producing a book. In a very short amount of time, I learned and I realized that there was a lot of misinformation out there. And so, as the episodes started getting more and more popular here on Father's Win, I started noticing that people were asking me legal advice. And what was true then is still true now. I'm not a lawyer, I am not a paraprofessional. I cannot offer legal advice. Even with this new book that I'm getting ready to tell you guys about, I have to preface it by letting you guys know this, again, is in no way whatsoever legal advice. I just want to be able to give you guys a opportunity to have all the information that you need to get started on your journey into family court. Now, I know that's so much easier said than done, because let's be honest, guys, family court is miserable. It's heartbreaking. It's stressful. It costs a lot of money. And at the end of the day, you're fighting for your most, I was going to say prized possession, but that's not even accurate. You don't describe your kids like that. I know it's easy to feel that way about your kids, but you're fighting for what matters most, your legacy. Especially this is true for dads. I know we always say on this channel, hey, this isn't a place where we down moms, diss moms, and that's still true. This isn't a place where we do that. But this is for fathers. And too many times am I seeing dads getting railroad in family court. It's not right. It's not fair. It's not okay. And you guys have still been rocking with me while I've had this channel operate like a faceless channel. I wanted to make sure I was keep getting content out, but it's just not the same interacting with a robot than it is to interact with an actual person. You guys know you can send me messages, shoot me emails. I reply to all comments because I am here for you. So, the name of this book that I am dangerously close to being done with is Father's Win, the No BS Guide to Family Court and Co-Parenting Battles. And it's coming sooner than you think, guys. Before you know it, I'm going to have a link so you can get the ebook. And then shortly after that, you're going to be able to order the actual physical book. It's not going to be a big book. It's not going to be like this big old manuscript textbook. This is a book. It's called Know Your Rights. It was written in 1995 by Reader's Digest. Excellent book. Excellent book. I to this day I read through this book sometimes to get information on things like your rights in family court. It's actually a very 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 good book. It's got terms in here like annuity, defined benefit plan, defined contribution plan, 401ks, investing. And this is all for a chapter about saving for retirement. This information was good in 1995 and it's good now because laws don't change that often, believe it or not. So this is evergreen content. So one day I was flipping through this book and I was thinking to myself, okay, what if there was a book like this, but it was specifically made for fathers navigating family court? I think I need to produce this. And that's the thought that birthed this book idea. So, what I need to know right now from you guys is there anything in particular that you're looking for in the book? Is there one thing in particular that you're like, you got to go over this, Kev? I don't understand this about family court. Again, it's not legal advice, but I want to be able to lay some groundwork so you can open up a guide and simply be able to understand, okay, this is what the courts are looking for. This is how I respond. This is how I communicate with the courts. And this is how I fight for what I need. This is a great tool for those of us who are going to be representing ourselves in family court. Drop a comment. Let me know if there's specifically something that you gotta have in this book so it can be of the utmost value to you. I love you guys. God bless you guys. Men, keep fighting for your kids. I'm not gonna stop doing what I'm doing, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next episode of Father's Win. Have a good one. I hope it's a great week. It's Tuesday for us in the States, and maybe we'll have some big announcement by the end of the week. Maybe. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Can't make any promises. All right, guys. This isn't legal advice, but you got a friend in me. I am a supporter. And to all the women out there who watch this channel, please share this video with a guy who is going through family court or who's about to go through family court. And remember, family court is pretty much the same in any country you go to. This book is going to be a great tool for even an international family, but it's going to be your responsibility, man, to make sure that you're able to do research to understand what terminology means in your jurisdiction because it varies slightly. And again, this isn't legal advice, but this is going to be the number one tool to get a good foundation on how to fight. I don't want you guys to be railroaded in family court like I have been. I have made a fool of myself in family court, especially going to trial with evidence and turning in evidence and trying to communicate effectively with the judge and trying to argue my point about a co-parent and then having a co-parent who is straight up and down telling mistruths, I'll say that, or bending the truth in a way that makes me look like an irresponsible parent and her look like the perfect parent. It happens all the time. And because us men are ruled by logic, sometimes we don't think that somebody could be so deceptive, so insidious, so vitriolic, so bitter because they got some emotions that they're being led by, that they'll say the things that they say in court, but it happens. And you need to know how to fight back. So I can't wait to get this book to you guys. It's coming very, very soon. Share this video, and I will catch you guys on the next episode of Father's Win. I keep saying that, but I'm really going to end the video right now. All right, guys? Talk to you really soon. Peace. Remember, drop a comment. Let me know what you need in this book, because before I wrap it up, I want to make sure we got you.